Welcome to Days Out Explorers today. We're down a nature reserve place at the moment. And it's called...
Winchester Moors Wildlife Reserve.
Yeah, I'll give them... That's what it's called, guys. So you can take a look at that. Hang on. That didn't view properly. Take a view of that. Here you go. Guys, this is the place we're going to follow. Takes you on a loop, apparently.
No dogs, no cycling, no fires, no swimming, no fishing.
Yeah, so it's nothing about filming. So we'll just give you a bit of footage down here. Give some footage down here and basically show you around. But apparently there's otters around here somewhere.
You'll be lucky if you see them.
We spotted an otter, we basically got it on film. Haven't we? Yeah. We'll take it down here. This is nature reserved as well.
Otters only come out at night.
Yeah. So it's telling you about cattle that's around here as well. So it's,
Come out during the daytime.
that's your map of the place. So guys, if you want to check it all out, do pause the video anytime. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
So we'll take you around. We can show you this place. It takes you in a loop back. So you should enjoy this. Something different. And we're actually in Winchester. And it's something in Winchester you can do.
Remember the name, guys?
Yep.
Winchester Moors Wildlife Reserve.
Yep. That's what it's called. So we don't mind doing a bit of footage down here. We spoke to a lady up by.
I'm a member of the Wildlife Trust.
Yeah, so he doesn't care.
Nah.
He prefers it go on my channel. So what we do, we're vloggers for all sorts of things. We just find all sorts of things to find. We've got all different ways we can go. So we can follow like different little routes.
Reed bed.
Yeah. Which one you want to do first?
Let's go this way.
Go to North Walk. That's what it's called.
Recreation ground.
Yeah, got up here then. Check that out. We'll try and cover as much footage as possible down here. Isn't that right? You never know, you might spot an otter in the water.
An otter in the water?
You might. We don't know. You're not talking about me, are you?
Oh.
No?
I swim like an otter.
Otter in the water.
Yeah, me.
Ha ha ha, yeah. Alright. That's the thing about it. By having him on the channel. By having Alexa on the channel, it's basically he can put some comedy on it. Makes it laugh you lot.
Yeah, right.
Thank you for the two new subscribers that's come to the channel. Thanks for that. Appreciate. Keep on subscribing and basically you get a lot more footage. Is that right? We've got some signs here as well we can do. All different. We've got the pond up there.
North Walls.
And North Walls. We're following North Walls at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, see what's up here. We'll go and check the pond out in a minute. Never know what find the otters up there. Never know.
You won't find otters not in the pond.
I don't know. They go anywhere, these otters.
Turn the camera around.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, it's a bird.
Not a bird, it's a duck.
Hang on. Yeah, duck. Bring it in a bit. Here you go, guys. It's a duck. You got yourself a duck.
Yep. No, you can't have it for dinner.
You know what they're going to put in the comments, don't you? Before you say it. Really nice homemade bench, which is nice. Give you that.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla the otter.
Yeah. So there's your name of the bench, right there, guys. So it's quite interesting. So we'll take you around. You never know what you'll find down here. You never know what you'll find down here, guys. Isn't that right? Does that make sense what I just said? So, I'll jump back to me.
Yeah, there's an otter, look.
Oh, sort of. Yeah, there's an otter. Yeah, a wooden one, mate. There's an otter, guys.
There's an otter.
Yeah, there's an otter. It's wood. Does he talk?
How long's he been there? He's solid as a bloody rock.
Okay. So it's a rock, okay.
Well, that's the only otter you're going to see, guys.
Yeah, at the moment. There's some really good stuff around here, but we don't know what. We're going to take over a bridge.
Over a bridge.
Yeah, cross water. Not quite like what I like. I'm not an interest in water. We'll take you up here. See what's up here. What? This could take us... Hang on a minute. This route goes on to Alton.
I know it does.
That'll laugh. That'll be a laugh if we end up in Alton. Yeah, I'll laugh if we end up in Alton. I'll piss up laughing. Yeah, ducks. More ducks. Hello, Mr. Duck.
Moorhen.
Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello, friend. You're alright,
That's
aren't
a
you?
moorhen, that is.
Yeah, you're cute, aren't you? I like staying still and listen to us. Yeah, you're so cute, aren't you? Yeah. You're not camera shy. There's a bird in front of us.
He's not camera shy.
No.
No, he's not. He's not camera shy.
You know what I'm doing? Getting the views round. Aren't I? True? That's what I'm doing, aren't I, Alexa? That's what you meant to do. Move the camera around, not just carry on walking. Move the camera around the views, different views, yeah? Is that right? And they see a lot more, don't they? True? Because most of my videos are done in landscape. They're done in portrait. Hey, hey, what the fuck? Yeah. Don't worry, guys. You can put anything in the comments. We don't care. Just don't be rude. There's no ruding, no being rude, no being swearing on the comments, please. Be clean talk. Because this is a family channel. So we don't set no swearing, no no rude.
Fire there.
Yeah, when you're not meant to.
Said no fires.
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking. So got quite a few bits around. It's not the interest.
We are the whispering trees.
Hey, what's those?
Hello.
Yeah, that's the bench name of that one.
Hello.
Bring around.
Hello. Listen.
Yeah.
Back here.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, so now you heard the whispering tree.
They're gonna think, what? You're gonna put weird stuff in the comments, aren't they? You're joking.
We are the watching trees.
Eh?
We are the watching trees.
Hey, what you're watching?
You ain't watching me, mate.
It's mad. Go.
The watching trees.
Watching trees? You don't watch me, guys.
Oh, I know what the watching trees watch. Wildlife on One.
BBC One.
Yeah, look. Watching how the river look.
Yeah. That looks right, actually. It looks like cool. You can point things out, right? You can point things out and I can bring the camera around to it, you know what I mean? I don't mind that. God, the more the merrier getting it. Isn't that right?
Let's go on ahead. Slow up, I'm going to go on ahead a bit.
Yeah, go on.
I'll do something.
Go on, go for it. I don't mind. The more...
I'll take it that used to be a bridge.
Yeah, years ago. Yeah, I take that too, used to be a bridge, yeah. He's gone on ahead, I don't know what he's up to. I don't know what you're up to. What's he bloody up to? What's he climbing on a tree for? I don't think you're meant to climb the trees here. Oh, we'll get up there.
Can't get on that tree.
No. It's quite a big thingy. We're not going over this bridge over here.
The trunk is too big.
We're not going over that bridge, we're just going straight ahead, aren't we?
There you go, that bridge goes onto the recreation ground. So
Yeah, which we're not interested in that.
No. Go on ahead.
Yeah.
No, this is slow. I'm going to see if I can spot anything.
Yeah. Come on, I don't mind. You can see how the stream is, or it's how the current's going.
That's pretty powerful.
Yeah.
There's a current in there.
You'll see how powerful it is.
You can see, look.
Yeah.
See the current in there.
See how powerful it is, man. Yeah.
Rolling round.
You can see all that. It's quite good. I'll give you a better view of it on the corner here, because there's not very good view there on that. Here you go, look. There's your current, guys.
Now watch, look at that duck, look.
You wonder how the duck does it.
It's like a speedboat, isn't it?
Yeah. It's quite quick.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Look. Left. That way. That way. Full speed. Going that
Imagine
way.
if duck heard you say that and it done it.
Go that way. Here it comes, look. I've got the whole look, the control in my hand, look, here it goes, look. Here he goes. Look. Full speed. Full speed ahead. Full speed. Left. Up the channel. No. Yes. That's where it's going. Look.
Yeah.
Look. Here he goes.
Oh my god.
Oh, the battery's just dead.
Oh god. But this is quite a big walk actually, but it's worth it today. It's a nice day for it.
Right, what have we got here?
We've got a tree.
We have swan steps.
Yeah, Swan Steps it's called.
Well, not here.
No, it should have a sort of bench. Well, it's like benches. There's loads of benches homemade down here, which is quite interesting. Hold on. Hey? I don't know, it doesn't say. Do you want to experiment? Or carry on ahead?
Carry on ahead.
We might end up in Alton through here. We don't know yet.
There's the swan steps.
Yeah.
Swan step over there, look.
Yeah. That step there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We might end up at Alton on this end because this goes into Alton, I think. If I got it right, the calculations. Yeah? It takes us round. That's what she said. So we're basically going round. Someone's having a bit of fun with cameras down here.
Just taking some footage.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to go down there?
No, there.
What's down there? Where's that go to?
Down here.
Oh, right, okay.
I'm a tree dweller.
Alright. There he is, he's in there. He's in the trees. Oh my god. Where did it end up? Come on then. Let's go out this way. Takes you out this way anyhow. To this gate. Don't go through there. There's a pond there.
Yeah, come look.
What? What the bloody hell? He's on.
I'm going past you.
Oh god. Wow.
Who's he?
I don't know. It's a man. Oh my god, guys. Well, this footage is going to be quite funny, I think. I think you'll have a great laugh on it. Hey, a bench made out of a trunk.
Yep.
which is quite interesting, guys. You wouldn't think.
Remembering David Alexander. What? David Alexander Bumstead. Snowy.
What? It is right.
1935 to 2008, a true Winnell boy.
Yeah, that is right, guys.
It did say Bumstead.
Yeah, it did say that. You should see it in the footage. Pause the footage, you'll see what we mean.
I'm just joking.
Yeah.
So did you like my little hobby horse, guys?
Put it in the comments if you liked it.
I told you see it's a family channel.
Yeah. It's always going to be a family channel. There's always going to be weird stuff going on if it's a family channel. It's basically pretty much what we do out and about. It's what the channel's based on. Basically, it's broadening around things what we do, Troy. Is that right?
Yep.
That's what our channel is all about. It's basically, you could have random things happen. And it's basically, it's all part of the channel. This could be a long bit of footage, but it could be good footage. Yeah?
Where are we now?
I don't know. I think we're in the middle of nowhere now.
What does this say?
We're in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere, guys.
The Giant's Bench, Water
Yeah.
Meadows.
Ah, does it say that?
Yep.
Yeah, guys, got you that.
Look, see?
Yep.
Even the birds have left their mark, look.
Yeah.
5 Hatches Stream,
Yeah, it has.
which is there.
Yeah, obviously. I'll tell you something, we're not really meant to walk on the grass, I don't think. On a nature reserve. But I do. What?
I think something was attacked here.
Yeah, looks like
With
it.
feathers.
Yeah, all the feathers are falling out of them. Because feathers do fall out of them.
Or somebody decided for, oh, it's bloody cold out here. I'll make a feather bed, make a feather jacket.
Yeah, probably. We've got there's lots of trees around here, but guys, it's a footpath which we didn't really know. I didn't really know about, so I thought it would be nice for you guys. What was he up to? What's he gone down there for? Be careful, it's a bit boggy down there. What? It ain't! No way! He's gonna climb the tree. What the? Earth?
Hello.
What the hell are you up to? Be careful, that's gonna break. What the? Alexa, I don't think you want to go on there because that looks rotten, mate. It don't matter if you land in the mud, you won't hurt yourself in there. You just basically land in the mud, wouldn't you? True? Yeah, you just get a bit muddy. That's what it's called, muddy.
Yeah, but now you might see the bog monster.
Bog monster! What the hell? I'm sure this is not so real.
So far we've seen things about whispering trees and
Yeah.
giants and all that sort of thing.
Wow, some weird. Everyone's thinking, what? When they look at it.
What noise does it make?
Really? Okay. If you say so. With the bog monster. Well, at least guys, you've got some nice views down here. I don't think we would actually think of idea walking all this. But we just decided to do it on random thoughts. We're in the mill place. Well, guys, we've got a problem. We couldn't film the National Trust place where we were today. We went to the what's it called?
Moving over there.
The Mill Hill, right? We couldn't go. We couldn't film in there. We weren't allowed. But what we should have done is done film for our own use and then put it up on the channel that way, and they wouldn't have known. No different, yeah? But apparently you can do personal videos for yourself there, but you can't do, you've got to send an email to get it on the footage on the channel. So basically we're going to send an email to them and get permission, and we'll go back there and we'll give you some footage there. So basically, I thought we'd tell you. We'll find a bush.
No, I need to find the toilet.
Yeah, go and get a bush. That's your toilet, though.
Toilet.
The toilet is the bush.
No, it's the French guy. It's the French guy when he came to the UK for the first time, and he said,
"Well, we're just following."
Toilet. So
here.
Hey.
We don't know what's up there. What? Yeah, what? The bug monster.
Oh yeah, it's a bug monster, isn't it? Yeah, guys.
Guys, there's the bug monster.
Oh, you're the bug monster existing. Look, there you go.
Yeah. There we go, guys.
No, what I was going to say was,
yeah,
right, French guy comes to the UK for the first time, he says, toilet?
there used to be a bridge over there.
Toilet, which way to the toilet?
Oh, it's a bench.
Hang on. He said, which way to the toilet? So they're directing to the perfume shop.
Right, we're going to walk on round. I don't think we're going to go that way. That's all basically flow of water. Guys, that's how rough the current is now. So you got an even better view there.
I didn't expect to see the bug monster though. But,
no, you see there's no such thing. We go, and there it was. Bug monster, yeah. Wow. I won't come through it. If I still had... Hey, guess what? If I still had Pinky 2 in the buggy, right, always out and about, right, I wouldn't bring her in here.
Yeah, look, nasty little things.
Yeah, they sting you. They sting you?
Have you noticed?
What? What?
Stinging nails. Where's the dock leaves?
They're up there.
No, they're supposed to be nearby.
Supposed to be. Well, guys, guess what? There's another bench made out of logs. What?
There you go.
That's not dock leaves.
Yeah, there you go. There's the nettles. There's the dock leaf.
Okay. You say, well, guys, there's another bench here which made out of trunk. We don't know who made that one. Bring you in.
Patricia James, lovingly remembered in the bird's song and the breeze, in the grasses in the trees, 1928 to 2015.
God. Long time ago. Isn't it? We're going on a bridge. Hey? It looks like a train track, yeah. It does look like a train track. Oh, guys. I've got to bring you around.
Teeming with fish.
What?
Yeah.
What? Teeming
Okay, let's get going then.
with fish? What the fuck? What is that all about?
There was like going through a jungle. We used to catch minnows and frogs.
What? Yeah, guys. I thought you did. Here you go, guys. Got the message. I've done the message across the screen. What? Wow. It's nice in here.
I was scared of water bowls suddenly running hands. She put it into the water to make it wet.
What? Here you go, guys. There's some more stuff, and then we'll give you this one from there, there. It's quite interesting. So, a minute. There's people around.
We had our first picnic on the moors.
What? Really?
We see families of kids paddled by children.
What?
A dog in the river.
It used to be a river then. Yeah, guys. Huh? Interesting. You missed one! There's another one here, guys.
I went down with my dog came back with a ticket.
Read this.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
not good.
What?
That's not good. I went down there with my dog, and my dog came back with a chicken.
Okay.
Lisa, I told you to keep the dog on the leash, didn't I?
If she's watching the channel.
Ground nesting birds suddenly fly up. Ah! What? Hey,
What?
you know, before you take off, you're meant to have a pilot's license.
Oh my god.
Swan's nesting. I'd leave mashed potato. The swan would leave her eggs and eat it.
Oh, okay. So what did you do in the olden days? There you go, guys. A bit of a sign there. Give you a little promo.
Before all the concrete, the bowl sat under the bridge.
Yeah.
No wonder you were late for work, said my son. You're always looking at the animals. Depends what animals you mean.
Animals like us? You get the joke.
The two-legged kind.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we've got a swamp round here. Wonder why there's a bridge here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is interesting. How big is this? Oh look, you missed something. Quiet, still, over.
Quite still over the field walking, I saw a deer. I watched it for a while.
There we go, guys. Got it all there. That's an interest. Look. The road of the what? The road of the what?
The road of memories.
Yeah.
Look it.
What?
Careful.
Oh, it's a duck.
We have a duck.
Dinner! What did I say?
Whoa, wait a minute.
Dinner time! Hang on, I'm gonna go up past it. I'm not scared of it. It looks like it's injured. Alexa? Guys, I think we found an injured duck. Whack whack. Whack whack. Alright. Dinner!
I found it. Please move out of the way. Move.
Yeah?
Camera footage. I found it. I found it. Look, dinner. Aim, fire, bang.
It moves quick. It doesn't like sitting there for long.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. Sorry, mate. We scared you.
No, because you had the word dinner, because it was on the menu.
So fuck you, I'm going.
I'm going.
Yeah? That was the words, wasn't it? Sorry about the language. We have to try and put a bleep in that.
What?
A swear word.
What swear word?
Fuck.
Ow.
Family channel.
Bugger.
Oi,
That's
family
not,
channel.
That's not a swear word.
Still a nasty word.
No, I know. I said the duck, the little bugger.
Yeah, well, alright. I call it a little poo. That's it. Not the little.
Don't worry about it, guys.
Yeah.
He heard the magic word. It was going to be on the menu, so he moved.
Yeah. We don't actually know what's up here. We haven't really been up here. So we're just basically just having a wander. But I'm going to need a pedal. Right, choice. Carry the North Walk or that way?
Journey gate. North Walls, we've been that way, so we're going to go back that way.
North Walk?
What?
No, North Walk's that way. Takes you back up the round the bend. Takes you round the bend up the other end. Back out the gates.
Yeah, that way.
Don't go out the gates that way.
Yeah. This takes us back where we came from.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh la la.
I know, guys. This is basically.
Well, there you go.
Hope you enjoyed this, guys, and do comment, subscribe, likes.
And I just want to say one thing, Lisa. If you are watching, that duck, right?
It's your dinner.
If I get it, it's dinner. But you're plucking the feathers, one by one.
Well, guys, I'm basically
No, you're not plucking mine. Get off.
So basically, we're going to basically now let you go, guys, and basically we're going to end this footage here. We'll catch you on another vlog somewhere else a bit later on, somewhere. So we'll catch you soon.
Yeah.
We might find something interesting somewhere else later for you guys. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed this bit of footage, and I'll speak to you soon, guys.
Yeah, there's one thing, Lisa.
Do not forget to subscribe and
like and subscribe to the channel,
and comment,
because it does help.
And it will improve the channel.
Help us at least to get to 100 followers.
But we need to get to at least 1,000 followers by December.
Yeah, so come on, guys. You like our footage? Come on, just like and subscribe.
Yeah. All right then. Speak to you soon. Bye.